Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to learn science class 4th lesson. The right clothes to wear. The right clothes. The right clothes to wear. What is the 4th lesson, children? The right clothes to wear. Okay. In long ago, when human beings, long ago, human beings lived in caves. Human beings lived in caves. చాలా ఏళ్ల క్రితం హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్స్ ఎక్కడ నివసించేవాళ్ళట? గుహల్లో, caves లో. Okay. Long ago, human beings lived in caves, and they used animal skins. They used animal skins, leaves, and bark of trees to cover themselves. No clothes, only animal skins and leaves, bark of trees to cover them all body. Okay. Long ago, human beings lived in caves, and they used animal skins, leaves, bark of trees, and to cover themselves. Gradually they improved. They learned the art of clothes. The art of weaving and stitching clothes. These used to which clothes, children? Gradually they improve art of weaving and stitching clothes. Nowadays different types of clothes. Here, see children, once listen carefully. In long ago, human beings are lived in caves, and they are used animal skin and leaves and bark of the trees themselves. Okay, cover themselves. And after some years, they gradually learned art of weaving clothes and stitching clothes. These days, we wear different types of clothes. In these days, we wear different types of clothes. Okay, we need clothes all the time. Okay, have you understand? We need clothes all the time. Clothes for home. We use it for home, school, and play. We wear clothes and play. We wear clothes and go to school. We wear at home. Always we need clothes all the time. Okay, and we wear clothes and party. We wear clothes for a party and clothes for a sleeping. We always using clothes. Have you understand, children? And nowadays we use different types of clothes, and we need clothes all the time. We wear clothes for sleeping, for home, school, play, party, and clothes are important to us as a house. Clothes are important for us as a house. మనకి house అంటే important same as this clothes also important. Okay, and here see children, why do we wear clothes? Why do we wear clothes? Why do we wear clothes, children? You know now? Why do we wear clothes? Yes, why do we wear clothes? Yes, good clothes. Clothes make, good clothes makes look smart. Good clothes makes look smart. Look smart. Do you understand why do we wear clothes? Yes, good clothes makes look smart and they protect our body from dust, protect our body from dust, cold and heat of the sun. Okay, have you understand how to protect clothes? Clothes protect our body from dust, cold, heat. Okay, if we wear only one dress, we wear the same dress of many hours, what happens, children? We wear only same dress, we wear many hours. What happened? Because it's a dirty. Yes, it's a dirty. Okay, the dress is a dirty. Okay, dust settled on it. The total dust and dirt settled on that dress. And if we do not wear clothes, if we do not wear clothes, the dirt would stick on our body. If we not wear clothes, our the dirty dust is stick on our body. Yes, it causes many diseases. Have you understand, children? Why do we wear clothes? Clothes are good clothes makes look smart and clothes protect for our body from dust, cold and heat. And the dirty clothes, if you not wear the clothes, the dust is sticky to our body, stick for our body, and we are sick. And okay, clothes protect us from dust. You know, clothes protect from dust, and clothes protect from sun, heat of the sun. Clothes protect from dust, heat of the sun. Cold, rain. Okay, clothes are protect this like dust. If you not wear the clothes, the dust is stick our body. Heat of the sun. We work on the sun. We work on this sunlight and heat of the sun. Our body is very tanned. And the dust is stick to our body and our heat directly. The sun rays are damage to our body. But clothes, we wear the clothes. The tanned means the dust. The sun rays are heated our cloth. Next, cold. And in this cold, in winter season, we wear woolen cloths. Yes, and the thick cloths and thick blankets and thick cloths we wear. Cold and winter seasons, cold seasons and winter seasons, we wear woolen cloths. These woolen cloths are they protect to our body for winter season. Next, rain. Rainy season, we wear raincoats. In these raincoats are made for waterproof. These raincoats are waterproof. Have you understand, children? Clothes are they protect us like this: dust, heat of the sun, cold, and rain. These all are our clothes protect. Have you understand, children? అర్థమైందా అందరికీ? Yes, clothes protect us from dust. People who work in the sun for a long time become a tan. The covered part of our body is usually faded, and then the uncovered part, this shows the clothes protect us from the heat of the sun. Next, during winter season also, we wear thick and warm clothes. They protect from the cold, and we wear the woolen clothes for winter season, sweaters. Okay, like that. And when we go out in the rain, when we go out in the rain and we wear raincoats. They are made from waterproof material. Raincoats then చేస్తాను waterproof material తో మేక్ చేస్తారు. The raincoat protects us from the rain. The raincoat ఎలా ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేస్తుంది మనల్ని రైన్ నుంచి కాపాడుతుంది. ఓకేనా? And if we wear long sleeved clothes at night, we can protect ourselves from mosquito bites, and clothes therefore protect us from insect bites also. Okay, now we wear cloths. These cloths protect from mosquito bites and insect bites also. Have you understand, children? This is the right clothes to wear. Okay, why do we need clothes anedi? How to protect the clothes to us, our body anedi? This is the topic. Have you understand, children? I hope you all are understand. Thank you.